Hey, good morning, More Medic One. Today we got a little rain. We've got all kinds of rain during the spring and the early summer. Now it's about midways through the summer, and we kind of had a little drought there for a little bit. But the good Lord is giving us a little precipitation today, and just want to give y'all a little heads up. Some of y'all have enjoyed my chicken coop video and some of the things that we're doing outside of lawnmower repair, and I want to invite you to visit my new channel. What we do there is we're going to better ourselves, and we're going to start doing more off the land type living, and we're going to start raising some chickens. So we plan on doing a lot more to this little acre we live on, and it's gonna be flipping exciting. We're gonna do cooking videos. We've got animals. We've got some really quirky little mixed. I got a little mixed dog that's just funny, and I've got a big, huge. Matter of fact, he's trying to be a funny boy right now. He's trying to figure out how to get into the chicken coop after we put the chicken wire up. Silly boy. It's gonna be a fun ride, guys, so y'all come and subscribe. It's called Life on Fountain Hill. At the end of the video, I'm going to have links to my new channel. I'm even going to put some cards either here or here. Well, one will pop up, and just click on that and go on over. And y'all support the More Medic One so much. I just want y'all to go over there and support my other channel, and we'll see you on the next video.